What's you doing? Surfing? I see you scoot. Like in a movie. Zippy, zippy, zippy. Come here. Come here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Huh? What you thinking? Scoot, scoot.
Is he going back to school?
Where you going? You got your new hammer. You got your hammer. You play that? You play that? Push a button. You did it.
Peekaboo. I do.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Who's that guy? Hi. Where's April? Hi, April. April. April.
Where are we going to eat?
I don't know. Steak and bake. Don't like that. Sully.
Sully's. Yeah, Sully's. I'll be there.
Dad doesn't like Chinese. April doesn't like it much.
I like beef fried rice.
Brett don't like Chinese either. But he'll take me there and watch me eat sometimes.
Someone didn't like it when I told them that beef fried rice would be a lot better to put some gravy on it. You know what gravy? That's not.